Okay, let's get this shit started then. So, coming into the day, neutral bias. Why? We're higher time frame bullish. ES is at all time high conditions and all of that. So, I got on the 4 hour, saw we had a 4 hour gap, and then I went to the 1 hour, so we had 2 1 hour gaps. This is going to be a pretty fast explanation. I'm tired as fuck, it's late, I've been busy all day. So, coming into the day, I wanted to see us either respect these 1 hours to go further up, or if they got disrespected or just ran through, or the 1 hours I was expecting either to go up to this 30-minute rejection block at that high as a TP and continue running, or would go down up to the TP and then further down to the 4 hour to go even higher on the higher time frame. That was my bias coming into the day. So what do? We opened. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Disrespected the first, or ran through the first one. The second one got a valid reaction. This is 10 from yesterday, by the way. So that doesn't have any say in this. Just ignore that shit. It doesn't even have any power in this case, which is random that it's lined up. Okay, that's how it is. So, boom. What we do, if you were to get an entry, schmack TP. Unfortunately, I got edged because the 5 minute was 35 points. Then I'm taking CE. You could have even, if you wanted to, taking I gotta go to the 1 minute to see this shit. I'm not gonna lie. There. You could have taken 0.62 if you wanted to, and had a stop. That's a little bit better. I just went for CE. Felt I was safe. 24 points is within my risk, but I still just thought I'm not that crazy today. I'm just gonna take it calm, taking CE. If I get edge, I get edged. If not, perfect. Trade played out to exactly what I wanted to do in one of my scenarios. Then we started to chop. 10 opens. 10 chops like crazy. Like, damn. You see here, my 10 I skipped for too long. Yeah, wait. Let me go over the first. Because I was still in the mindset that either we respect the 1 hours and go up, and if we disrespect shit, we go down. So, sitting here, I saw on the 5 minute, we were like respecting berry structure, like in a slight downtrend, even though this was extremely choppy, shitty 10. And I'm like, I'm only trading evals in these conditions. Also saw that for the long side people took, ES was really uncorrelated. Like ES was up here while NQ was down here. When that happens, you usually get stopped, and it might even not be the right direction for the 10 trade, in my experience of what I've seen. And to be fair, I haven't traded 10 in a while. Only been taking it on my evals if something else doesn't present itself, and if the 10 trade looks good, and it did. So, and we got tapped in right there, a 10 limit, purely of that basically, which in my book is all right if you have the conviction, if it's a eval trade, if it's low risk. And in this case, I had a 10 point stop. I had a high conviction on the trade, just of basically experience. And holy, I'm tired, bro. Yeah, I wanted to see this 4 hour get tapped for like higher time frame to go even higher, because I had a feeling we're gonna respect the 1 hours, go up, and then go back down, tap the 4 hour to go up even further tomorrow probably. So we'll see if that's the case. Let's just see what price does overnight. This ends up to actually go pretty far down. I had partials at this 1 minute entry trigger, which is also like the 5 minute rejection block. But I did it at the 1 minute entry trigger. Took out partials right there. Basically, most of the position was just eval trade. Then I secured what I needed, and for the rest, I just wanted to see the 4 hour get hit. Just like a funnel trade, just an eval. I'm like, yeah, I wanted to do it like that. Live with it. Like that. Wanted to catch a nice trade for once, a nice target, because it's been a fucking while with the fucking markets, bro. Excuse me cursing that much, but that's how I be feeling when the markets be going crazy, like it did like the whole of July, the start of March. Wait, start of March. What am I talking about? Start of August, bro. I'm lost. I'm so tired. I'm about to hit the bed. It's 1:20 a.m. And we start chopping around a bunch. I'm already break even at this point. I'm just waiting for us to break below this low so I can trail my stop loss to this high. And we chopped around, and then we broke below that. So I trailed my stop loss to this high. That's how I do my trailing. I want to see us create a low like that, and like in this case, take out that, break even. That's not enough conviction for me to trail it to that high. And then we go a little bit further down, create another low. And then I'm like, okay, if this goes, I might trail it to this. And then we started chopping. Then I'm like, okay, if we go there, I'm gonna trail it to that high. That's like most likely not gonna hit. And we just proceed to slowly hit TP for a dub on the evals, which is nice. But my God, I've been yearning for a trade, bro. I mean, I'm not gonna be like that over trading douchebag that's just like, oh my God, I need to trade, I need to trade, I need to trade. I'm gonna over trade like crazy. I'm gonna trade the days I don't need to. Just, bro, I've been wanting that summer price action out of here, bro. Fucking hate summer price action. It's slow, it's unpredictable. Sometimes it's just bullshit, including its Trump summer price action. Horrible. So yeah, that's the trade for the day. This trade's recap is probably going to be all over the place. Not even going to be that good, well explained. I'm sorry about it. I'm tired as shit. This week have been on a hike, so it was a really nice hike, but it's been, or backpacking trip or camping, whatever the fuck you call it. We were out for 2 nights, but I'm back now, getting back into this shit after basically a weekend plus 3 days off, which is, I recommend it if you feel like you're exhausted. Just take a break, bro. There's nothing wrong. The markets ain't going shit. Like they're staying where they're at on the fucking charts. I mean, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now, so I might just end the recap here. Not gonna rant like ICT for too much or too long. Now I'm probably gonna watch an episode of Reacher if that shit came out today and hit the nutters or go to bed. But yeah, that's a short recap. Sorry for it being shit, but it is what it is. I gotta get it out there no matter what. Yeah, and we proceed to chop around a respectable 4 hour. I expect for tomorrow we will probably go up or chop around here maybe on these areas and go even higher, create some 1 hour structure below there. Or we might even just take out this overnight. I'll be surprised if that happens because it's pretty far away. Or not that far away. That could happen overnight. Either way, what I'm thinking, we're probably gonna be bullish tomorrow, but it depends on how structure looks over the night. But get to that tomorrow, or yeah, tomorrow, bro. Holy, good night. Oh, penis USD. That's not good. My bad. Yeah. Good night, bro. Fucking hell, I'm tired of shit.